Good morning, Molten Scholars. I hope you all have had a very restful weekend. Okay, let's get started. Today we are going to start on week 5, unit 5, day 1. And we're going to be working on vocabulary words today. These words all relate to what we've been talking about, inventions and discovery process. So let's look at the words that we have for today. The first word is innovation. Innovation. Repeat that word after me. Innovation. The second word is incandescent. Repeat after me. Incandescent. Incandescent. The third word is phonograph. Say phonograph. The fourth word is telegraph. Say telegraph. These are the 4 words that we will be focusing on for today. Now we have a couple of activities and they're very simple activities, mostly just defining the words, learning their definitions. But the second activity is one that I want to go over with you step by step because it could be a little confusing. So I don't want that to happen. So we're going to talk about this one together, okay? So you will be working on your second activity. You will be working on what is called a Frayer vocabulary chart. A Frayer vocabulary chart. And it looks like this, okay? You will see 4 boxes. All 4 boxes are asking for you to identify something in each box. You will see the vocabulary word that you are identifying in the center of the Frayer box. So your vocabulary word will be here in the center. Now this is an example. I'm going to use this example to show you how this chart works, okay? So you'll see your word here. So this word is invention. So I'll first go to my first box and it says definition. So I will type in my definition for invention. And I have here a product, device, or ideal that did not exist. Okay, invention. And then I'll move to my second box. You look up at the top and you'll find what that box is asking you to type in. So this box wants you to type in facts or characteristics about the word invention. So let's see what I put. A new ideal. That's a fact, right? About an invention. Something that has never been done before. That is also a fact or characteristic about an invention. Okay, now let's move to the third square and let's see what it wants us to put in here. It wants an example. So I would give an example of an invention. So one example is the first car. The first car, that was an invention, okay? What about the light bulb? That too was an invention, all right? So now let's move to the last box. This one wants a non-example, a non-example. So what that means, a non-example, it means just the opposite of an example. So a non-example would be something that is not an invention, okay? So here I listed new iPhone. Is that an invention? No, because we've had iPhones before. They just changed by characteristics, by features, but we've had an iPhone before, so it would not be considered a new invention. Let's look at another non-example invention, something that we've had before. It says electric car. That is not considered a new invention because it is a car. Because it is electric just means that there is a new feature on this car. But this would not be considered a new invention. So therefore, it is a non-example. So in the non-example box, you will list things that are not in new inventions, okay? This box will list the items that are not new inventions, okay? So you will have to complete a chart for each one of your vocabulary words, and you will see that in today's packet. All right? Okay, you guys have fun with this, and call me if you have any questions. All right? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.